statistics show that animated doodle videos have a retention rate of 15% more than live narrative film. And in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you a quick comparison between Doodlemaker and Instant Doodle so that you can have an informed decision on which of these software you can utilize to create doodle videos for your YouTube channel, or converting any video into a doodle video in order to improve on your retention rate and also to grab attention if you are into marketing or you want to explain anything in a whiteboard, blackboard, or even a classboard. So without further ado, let's get into my presentation and I will share with you the comparison of the two. And make sure that you like this video and subscribe to this channel, because I'm gonna be sharing with you valuable information that will help you choose the right software for your business. So we will be starting with the pricing of these two softwares, that is Instadoodle, and also we have Doodlemaker. So both of these offer the same value or service, but for Instadoodle you have to make monthly subscription. So Instadoodle offers 3 packages, that is the standard, pro, and agency. And for the standard you pay $47 per month. For pro version you pay $67, and then for the agency version is $127 per month. But for Doodlemaker you only pay $69 US, and it is a lifetime access. So you can see you will save a lot of money by going with the Doodlemaker. And I will leave a link in description for a 20% discount code. So you can check out the link in description to access any of these softwares. But for the discount, I'll leave a discount code or my link to the discount of Doodlemaker. Now, why will you choose Instadoodle or Doodlemaker? So we'll be going into the features now so that we can see if it's worth the investment, either monthly subscription or the lifetime payment. But before we go forward, I would like to also mention something here before I forget. So for Doodlemaker you pay $69 one-time payment for lifetime access, including commercial rights and all features, so you are not limited. Now let's check out the features. So we will first check out whether they have incorporated AI. So both of these Doodlemakers have incorporated AI, both Instadoodle and also Doodlemaker. So both have incorporated AI, making it easier to make professional looking videos. Now let's go into asset library. So for Instadoodle it comes with 1,000 plus in the standard plan and 3,000 plus in the pro and agency plan. But for Doodlemaker it comes with 300 plus templates and millions of assets. So you can see Doodlemaker has millions of assets. Now let's check out in terms of video quality. Instadoodle offer 1080 for the standard version, the one you paid $67 US, and for the pro and agency version you will make 2K and 4K resolution videos. But for Doodlemaker you only have access to 10p and 80p, which is not bad. It's also a clear video that you will get. So if you don't want to break the bank, you can start with Doodlemaker. Now let's go into multilingual support. So Instadoodle has 6 AI voices, and this is only available in the agency, that is the $127 per month package. But for Doodlemaker they have 60 plus languages and 160 plus voices, and this is all that you get for one-time payment. Now commercial rights, I have already touched on that in terms of Doodlemaker. So for Doodlemaker it's included for the one-time payment, but for Instadoodle the first 2 payment plan doesn't offer commercial rights, so they only offer in the agency plan where you pay $127 monthly. Let's now go into maximum video length. So for Instadoodle, you have unlimited length in terms of the videos that you can make. But for Doodlemaker, you are limited to up to 15 minutes by videos. So if you are making a 30 minutes video, then you need to create 2 times. Now, let's get into storage. That is, they are both cloud-based and also they offer drag and drop editor, which makes it easier. In terms of AI credit, the Instadoodle limits you because you have to subscribe monthly, but for the Doodlemaker, you are not limited. In terms of refund policy, Instadoodle has 14 days refund policy and Doodlemaker has 30. Now, I'm sure that you have some information that can help you make a right decision on which software to go with. Now, let's see why I chose Doodlemaker compared to Instadoodle. So, one thing is the one-time payment, no ongoing recurring payment. So, you only make a one-time investment and you are able to get access to all features. Another one is commercial rights. I don't need to spend $127 like in Instadoodle. For this, with just $69, I'm able to get access to unlimited features and also commercial rights. So you can create and sell unlimited videos to clients without paying extra or upgrading compared to what Instadoodle requires. Now, another standout feature is the powerful multilingual feature. It offers more languages compared to Instadoodle, which only offered 6 languages. But for Doodlemaker, it offers 60 plus languages and 160 plus human-like voice. And also, they have millions and millions of Doodle assets and also 300 plus ready-made templates that you can use to make your Doodle videos. Last, we have unlimited video creation, so you can create as many videos as you can. The only limitation I add is you can only make 15 minutes video, and that is where Instadoodle outperform the Doodlemaker. Now, in terms of best value for business, for anyone planning to create videos regularly to sell to clients, Doodlemaker one-time payment and commercial license deliver unbeatable return on investment compared to making payment monthly. Now let's check out the summary so that you can easily decide on which of these Doodlemaker is best for you. So for me, I will go with Doodlemaker instead of Instadoodle because 1, lower upfront cost and no monthly fees. Now, comparing also the commercial rights, it's only available on Instadoodle in the agency fashion after paying $127 per month. In a year, it's more than $1,000. Yet for Doodlemaker, you only pay one time. And I will leave a discount code of 20% in description. Now, unlimited credits, I already touched on that. We also have 4K video export. It's available in Instadoodle, and that's another thing that it outperforms the Doodlemaker. But I think 1080p resolution is also a quality video, so you should not worry about that. So, best for agencies and freelancers, both of these tools are good, but Instadoodle agency only package is best if you are running an agency of making doodle makers. And if you are a solopreneur, then both of these tools are good. So my final verdict is that I'm gonna be going with the Doodlemaker. But if you want to go with Instadoodle, it is also easy to use and it offers fast AI powered doodle creation, but requires a monthly subscription for all plans and restricts key features like commercial use and multilingual voices. to the most expensive plan only, so you are limited there. So for Doodlemaker, you get everything for one-time payment. So if you want to get started with any of these tools, you can check out the link in the description, and I hope you have learned something so that you can make the right decision on which software you can get started with.